So recently the Google's Nano Banana is out, and with the help of Nano Banana and Veo3 Fast, we can create UGC ads. And here if you see some couple of examples, so it has been like created with the Nano
Very
Banana
nice.
and
Very nice.
Veo3. So if we talk about the image, let's see, this is the product image that we have, and we want to create a UGC ad. So here just we need to put up the image of the product, and we need to just mention a small script that we want to create this kind of this thing, the UGC ad. So here I have just mentioned I want to create a UGC ad with a given image, and in a very cinematic way, and the nice looking ad basically we want to create. So here if you see that after the image that we get, we just need to put up into a Google Drive. So for this UGC ad, and here it's like OpenAI the analyze model. So what it do is like analyzing the image that we have given it, and it analyze the image. And here if you see the simple prompt about analyzing the image, and as per the given image you need to create write the script copy of the for the image and for the video script. So we have given the instruction basically in this, and after that it goes to the image prompt. And image prompt is very straightforward, that we have defined the what is like outcome that we want, what is the like guidance that we want. And the product description is nothing but the description that we are going to get from the users, and the image that we are going to upload, that image will be used as the reference image. So once it is there, we have to write a system message. So it's straightforward with the rules and roles like that. This is the UGC ad we want to create, and here's a simple image URL already provided to you. And how do we want to create, and what are the instructions that we want to provide. So it's a very straightforward. And what are UGC ad creator we want, between the what should be the age range, and what should be the we have given a good example prompt, and there is a bad example that we do not need in creating the kind of a UGC ad. And simply it goes to the this AI agent, and we have connected it to OpenAI GPT-5 model. After that, generating the structure, we are just structuring this prompt basically in a code node. And after that we are going to generate the image through Nano Banana. So to integrate Nano Banana, you just have to go to the Fall AI, and you have to have some credits with the Fall AI. And here if you go to their documentation, it's very straightforward. So you have to just select the HTTP, and here you see that there is a post method that we have to pass to this workflow. And this is the a URL that we need to pass. And these are the parameters, and this API key is very important. And once it is uploaded, we will get the request ID. And there is a wait note. Obviously we need to wait for some time. Let's say wait for 30 seconds. 30 seconds is good enough to create a image from Nano Banana. After that we are going to get the image from the Nano Banana. So it's like a very straightforward. Here if you go to the Fall AI documentation, here you will find it should be like a get method, and this should be the URL that you need to pass and this request ID is nothing but this request ID which we are going to get from our wait node, and once we pass it on, we will get this like image, and once we search it out, we will find out what the Nano Banana has created, like a cool looking like girl who is having like drinking water from the bottle that I showed you earlier. So after that we are just creating the video prompt with the help of generated image. So here it's like a very straightforward that what we want. This is like a UGC ad kind of video we want to create, and we have like given this description is the same one, and the image that we have analyzed from the OpenAI model, and after that it's like the same one, but the only difference is like this one we are now creating it for one video. So accordingly we have given the prompt and the instruction to our chat model, to AI agent, and same thing we have given like two basic examples of what it should be and what it should not contain. Like a bad example we have given, and we have also mentioned what are the models we are going to use to create the video. So once we are integrated this into the workflow, we are going to get this script basically, and we are just structuring out. And here if you go to the Fall AI, and if you search out for Veo3 fast, and we need to select image to video model, so which is very powerful and very impressive too. You can create cool UGC ads with the help of this Veo3 fast, as Veo3 is way expensive, but Veo3 fast is way like cheaper, and the quality of the image and the video quality is so nice. So the documentation is again the very straightforward and similar to what we have done for the Nano Banana. So if you go and just look at the document that we have from the Fall AI. So here just you need to pass this URL, the image to video model that we want to use, and same we need to just provide the API key, and this is the prompt that we are going to get from the OpenAI this model. And the image URL is nothing but the image that we have already created, and we just go to this model, and it's like waiting for around 4 to 5 minutes. So because creating a video will take a longer time, so for the safer side just give it a 5-minute time, so it creates the video. So once it's done, we can just get this video created, and here you will see this output about this
very nice.
bottle.
It's very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
So this kind of UGC ad can be created. So this is like for a demo, 8 seconds. You can create it for a longer time also. So after this, you can just integrate to Google Drive where you want to store the created content, or you can just plug into some of other APIs to just pass the to generated content to other social media platforms. Hopefully you just like this, and if you like, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you so much. So recently the